Each
hygiene and safety.
Pallets are shrink-wrapped to prevent movement during shipping.
harvested dates are carefully loaded onto trucks for transport. Dates travel from the orchard to the processing facility.
Dates enter the washing machine to remove dust and debris. Water jets and brushes clean each date thoroughly. Conveyor systems ensure smooth handling throughout the process.
Dates are manually sorted to ensure only the best quality proceeds.
Automated grading ensures uniform size and color.
Dates are dried careful to maintain freshness. Dates are transported for automated packaging. Each bag is filled precisely to maintain consistent quality.
Sealing locks in freshness and hygiene. Labels indicate brand, batch, and expiration date.
Quality control ensures only perfect products move forward.
Packed bags are carefully placed into boxes for protection.
Boxes are sealed to maintain hygiene and safety.
Boxes are arranged on pallets for organized transport. Shrink wrapping secures pallets for safe transport.
Pallets are shrink-wrapped to prevent movement during shipping.
Pallets are organized and tracked for shipment.
Pallets are loaded into trucks for delivery.
Each pallet is arranged to ensure safe transit.
Final checks ensure safe transport.
Trucks are now ready to deliver dates to markets worldwide.
Dates begin their journey from factory to global markets.
From tree to package, dates are now ready for global markets.